Hey beautiful, did you miss me? I miss you too, and this is why I came with a new video for you. Stay tuned. Starting with my eyebrows with matte colored lip liner, dark brown, and now I'm doing my concealer with Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the first time I'm using it, but hey, I really like it. Did this work with Estee Lauder foundation. And now I'm doing my blush with red Vino No. 9, a color mix of pink and gold. Really beautiful. Now I'm doing my mascara with Wonderlooks Volume Rimmel London, just to accentuate a little bit my eyelashes. Coming back with the lip liner just to make my lips pop a little bit. And now PS liquid lipstick, nude color, Primark baby, Primark. If you didn't love it, I don't know. Alright, so eyeshadow Intense is all about intense. I use it every day, every single time. I mean, that color, gold color, just in my inner eye. I use it also for my lips. And not forgetting my nose, of course. Alright, so another palette of Revolution Reload Marvellous Matte, and I'm using color orange just to match a little bit my outfit. Gotta use your finger just to blend a little bit, not too much. Alright, to pack everything I'm using, I love Revolution Fixing Spray, and that's the center of vanilla and coconut. Hair time baby with blue Gummy wax, and that's to pack everything, slays every single time. And now just to add everything, X-Pression color #1 B. Oh wow, love it. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.